Hello everyone, my name is Emmer and I'm making this video on the behalf of my class called Criminology and Justice. This is the debate video 1. In this debate, I'll take the position and support the argument that these criminals are made instead of they are born. This is a behavior some people obtain due to either by their own choice or factors from their environment. The two main clarifications lies in genetic and environment factors which convey to the nature and the nurture debate both. Some argues that criminals are born. These are philosophers and scientists who believe that the genetic plays a vital role in a person's behavior. On the other hand, studies that have been conducted to prove that criminals are made by society, such as persons' interaction with the society that models behavior of the individual. An individual who is not genetically inclined to criminal behavior can be forced by the environment to get involved into the same. Peer pressure is one of the best illustration in such cases. Most of the criminals today are from the big cities where living conditions are somehow hostile. One of the major facts that drive such individual to criminal behavior is poverty, which is the case lies in the nature side of the debate. This is to say, poverty, which is an environmental factor, plays a huge role in producing criminal behavior. A study conducted in University of Florida carried out in 2007 shows that surrounding are the reason for making criminals. Surrounding is again connected with the environment. So therefore, it can be argued that those studies have found the environmental play a role in the criminality of the individual. The environmental plays a key role in stemming or spreading such behaviors. Criminals are therefore made, not necessarily born. Here is no crime gene. There is no crime gene and there is no such thing as a born criminal, but some traits that are to a degree heritable, such as intelligence and the temperament, affect to some extent that the likelihood that individuals will engage in criminal activities. Some modern researchers also have pointed out to a variety of biochemical factors which may be involved in criminal behavior, such as environmental conditions. Researchers believe that criminal behavior is learned through association with other people, especially close person groups. It could be the family as well. There are many social factors that can account for crime and many lie within the family. But my opinion is criminals are made instead of they are born. Most of the criminals are not made by a gene. Instead, environmental problems makes one criminal. The child learned what happened is in his around or in his surrounding. If his generation is criminal, then maybe he can be a criminal. Burns said once, there is no gene for criminal behavior. He said criminal is a learned behavior. So if we go to the central point, I believe that even somebody who has criminal genes biologically, if they are raised up in a happy, secure, supportive and understanding families who deal with the problem that the youth bring within it, the young person wouldn't push into the criminality that easily. So even if they would to fall in that line or phrase, they will be having a helping hand, and I think that's a very positive sign to have a helping hand in any factor of life. So in terms of sociological theories, there are many different theories. For example, the social reaction theory, which is also known as the labeling theory, conducted by Howard. It explained that when a person commit a crime, they will receive the label of a criminal in the society, and when a person is labeled as a criminal by such society, they are likely to accept this label as part of them. So it both goes hand in hand. So now that the person now thinks of themselves as a criminal, they'll continue their criminal behavior, and at the end of the day, they are counted as a criminal in this society. I think everyone is born innocent and no one knows the good and the bad. It's the environment, society or many other issues that that makes one a criminal. So just wrapping it up, I believe that criminals are made instead of they are born. Thank you so much for your time. Have a good day.